Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wreaths Galore. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more. Her co-hosts are Sassoon Glam Syle, designed with Emma, myself, Pretty DIYs, Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Designs, Chevy meets Bling, Decorate with Us, and Mabel's Table. So come along with me as I show you my Wreath Galore. Now we were asked to do a DIY of a wreath, a centerpiece, or anything for the holiday. This has to do with a wreath, okay? So let me show you what I've done. I've made it really, really easy so anyone can actually put this together. So you can do this at home too, because I've made it really, really simple, okay? So for the first one over here, I would use this as a centerpiece, and what I've placed here, I have the wreath that I have added lights to it and a bow. Inside it, I have put a lantern with a house with the snow on top of the house. So it's very easy. All I took was a wreath. I added the blinking lights. I added a bow to the side, put my little lantern inside on the gold silver plate, and place that inside, and I can use it as a centerpiece. Now, if you want to, you can put candles on the side of it. I do have this tree in back of it, but the centerpiece is the wreath. Okay, it's snowing out here, you all, so I'm trying to make it through this. On the second one, what I've done, I've taken, again, just a charger plate. I've taken some beautiful white garland and just placed it around the charger plate to make it look like a wreath. And all you're doing is, I'll show you how to do it with the bows. You just gonna go completely around, all the way around the plate until you get it all the way around it, and you'll have a round circle, which is a wreath. So that's what I've done with number 2. I purchased that garland from Joann Fabric, and it's white, and you can see it has the beautiful little sparklies in it. The little tree here I purchased from Goodwill, and on the side of this centerpiece I put 2 candles that were in the center. Here on my countertop I have used a white throw to make it look like snow. In the background there's Rudolph peeping in, and a little polar bear has joined us also. So here I used garland, just 1 string of garland, and I took and placed it around this plate. I put the little tree in the middle from Goodwill, lit 2 candles in candle holders from Home Goods, and there is my centerpiece for the holidays. Very simple, very easy. Anyone can put that together and it'll be beautiful. Okay, my wreath here was from Walmart. No. It was from Tuesday Morning. The little house was from Goodwill. The little lantern inside was also from Goodwill. The bow was ribbon from the Dollar Tree that I tied together, and the charger plates inside both of these are from Goodwill. I hope I've given you some ideas today. And if you like this type of content, if you would please hit that like, thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We would love to have you come and join the design family. I will be leaving the Grace Life DIY Home Decor information in my description box, and all of the ladies who are participating in Wreath Galore, make sure you all go over and check out that playlist. They are all very talented ladies, and you will get a lot of great ideas for your centerpiece on how to make wreaths, because Christmas is coming. Again, I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Wreath Galore. Without you, I could not do this, so I say thank you. Thank you. Okay, that is it, and don't forget on your way out to smash that thumbs up, and if you like it, go ahead and join the family. Again, we would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up on your way out. I'll see you in my next one.